Hi, Brenna White here from the Heaps Estrin team. I'm here today at 76 Cameron Crescent in highly sought after South Leaside. This home is situated in a very special location. The quiet, dead-end section of Cameron Crescent, just steps away from Howard Talbot Park. 76 Cameron Crescent is a gorgeous 4+1 bedroom, 4-bathroom home with a huge 3-story rear addition. I cannot wait to show you the home, so let's go take a look inside. The main level features a gorgeous living and dining area, complete with a striking bay window with leaded glass, beautiful wainscotting, and an impressive wood-burning fireplace that adds an intimate and dramatic ambiance to the space. The renovated kitchen is complete with custom cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and plenty of counter space. The sprawling family room addition features another charming wood-burning fireplace and a convenient main floor powder room. Walk out to the private backyard oasis featuring a professionally landscaped flagstone patio area and an expansive yard that is perfect for entertaining guests or relaxing with family, offering a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of urban living. The second level boasts an abundance of natural light and features 4 large bedrooms, each with ample storage and hardwood flooring throughout. The generously sized primary bedroom features a serene, spa-style ensuite bathroom, vaulted ceilings, and an abundance of closet space. A second 4-piece bathroom completes the second level. In the lower level, you will find a 4th bedroom or dedicated office space, a convenient 3-piece bathroom, and a large, versatile recreation room perfect as a children's play area or as a multimedia room. .76 Cameron Crescent is located in one of the best parts of Toronto. This stellar property offers a unique opportunity to own the perfect family home in a highly desirable midtown location. Thanks for watching along today, and I'll see you next time.